Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel All in One Life. Today I have come up with a new video and this is an unboxing of TP-Link and we will test it out how it works. And how it works you all know, but what's the range and how's the speed coming if you have a good plan, and what's the improvement from my current router. So let us first unbox and explore its features and then let's test it out. So after removing the packet, at the back side we can see its main features. This is one mesh technology, but it's not capable with single router. You have to have two routers for one mesh technology. It has a MU-MIMO technology, which increases the multiple device connection and increases the speed per device connection. If you connect so many devices, it will be it will have a equal speed in both the devices. Security is good. All the ports I will just show you, and here is the price and manufacturing everything. So the price, as you can see, it's written 4,999 rupees, but you can easily get for 2,300 rupees on Amazon or Flipkart, anything. The back side of it, it's nothing special. Front side it's look like this, and here the side contents, features, specification, package contents, which I am going to show you in a little while. And you can set up at home easily, but I will be setting up through my service provider. Okay, so let's open this. So here comes our router. This is a properly packed router. Let me handle it carefully. This is probably the power cable. The power cable looks like this. Now let me take out the router. Okay. What are the rest contents? Some quick guide and all. And oh wow, we got an cable too with this. Okay, so let me now open this up. So here comes our brand new router, TP-Link AC1200 mesh Wi-Fi router. So if we look, it has 4 antennas. Let me show you the ports. You can see the ports over here. Let me just adjust this one. Okay, so here comes the ports. You get 4 LAN ports and 1 WAN port, and reset button, power button, and this is the power port. So it looks something like this, and here comes all the symbols you can see, power, Wi-Fi, and much more. And at the back side of it, let's see what's written over here. The model name Archer C6, the model serial number, wireless password pin, and SSID, everything else. So this was all about TP-Link Archer 1200 unboxing. Now let me give it to my service provider. He will just set it up so fast, and then I will show you comparison of what is my plan, what speed I was getting, and how far away, and what's the improvement in it. So let's begin. Now let's test the speed before changing my router. So I am correctly connected to my old router, and let's do a quick speed test on the Ookla app. My actual plan is 50 Mbps plan, and I am currently getting approximately 30 Mbps. Approximately 30 download speed, and let's check the upload speed. And I'm currently getting 37 Mbps as upload speed when I'm currently 10 to 12 feet away only from my router setup. So here's the speed. Now let's check with the new router. So now I have successfully set up my new router and I have connected here. As you can see, it is having 2 gigahertz, like 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. So I have connected with the 5 gigahertz first, and let's test the speed now. I am approximately at 15 feet away and at the same distance where I tested my speed with the old router. So let's check the speed with the 5 gigahertz band. So yeah, it's my plan is a 50 Mbps and I'm approximately getting 47-48 download speed and nearly 49-50 upload speed on the 5 gigahertz band. Okay, now let me connect with the 2.4 gigahertz band and let me see what's the speed then. Okay, now let me test again. Now with the 2.5 gigahertz, I am approximately getting 20 Mbps. Like, that's way too far than 5 gigahertz band. And I am approximately 15 feet away from the router. So that's a little disappointing, but with the 2.4 gigahertz band, you get a better range. Even when the speed is low, but you get a very better range than that. But I recommend you to connect with the 5 gigahertz, as if you are working in a home or um, you are not working at different far away locations in your home itself, it will be better if you connect with the 5 gigahertz band. It will give you better speed and better latency. So that was all about it. So that was all about the new TP-Link router. Now if you want to purchase one, you can check out the link below and you can purchase it easily from any e-commerce website like Flipkart and Amazon. So that was all about the comparison of my old router with the new router. The end conclusion comes is you should definitely go for it because I connect usually 15 to 20 devices at a time, and it was a hell lot of issue with the old router, and this new router is having a very seamless experience. Even the Wi-Fi calling, the WhatsApp calling, the Zoom calls, the all online types of calls are like smooth like anything. So if you are going for a mid-range budget router, you can consider this one definitely. Thank you for watching.